Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. This is where we take new and upcoming affiliate marketing products and online income strategies and give you an honest review, parsing through the sales page and helping you to understand the product, as well as trying to help give you the information you need to determine whether or not it's a good product or not for you. Today, in this particular video, we are looking at crazy website traffic in a blast. Now, traffic is, in most cases, about the most important thing when it comes to online marketing. It doesn't matter how good a product you have, it doesn't matter how much money you think you're going to be able to bring in from a product. You're not going to be successful unless you have traffic. So we've looked at a number of different traffic producing or traffic earning products over over a number of videos through this channel. There are, I'm sure, thousands, if not tens of thousands, of different guides and systems to help you get traffic. It's important. It is an ongoing niche. There's always new little places to you can post links or try to drum up some traffic or use to build a funnel. Very relevant. This is not one of the prettier sales pages that we have ever seen. I'm not going to read through all of this. It's difficult to provide a really good review on any secret strategies product, which is what this is claiming to give us, without really having access to the document and being able to go through it from there. However, there's a few things that we can get from the sales page. The first is that as we go through here, this is someone who has obviously built their own page, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, there's a lot of us who are going to either have or will end up building our first page, but this is not a... By the way, I'm not zoomed in. This is me looking at this on my regular screen resolution. So this is being done at the same resolution and zooming as every other video I've ever done on this channel. I don't think I've ever done anything particularly weird. The font is massive, and you know there's a place for large font when it comes to a heading or catching someone's attention. The problem with this is that everything is so big, it really just takes something that should take a few seconds to read, and it takes several minutes to scan through. Basically what this all works out to is that the sales page is telling us that in this ebook guide, we're going to find 5 secrets to developing web traffic. It could be an amazingly good guide. There are some reasons, I think, to doubt that. Now, the real question with something like this is, are these secrets really going to be secrets? Are these secrets going to be something that you already know? So, in part, one of the questions is going to be whether or not you have ever, whether or not you actually have any experience in gaining traffic online. Some of this is going to come down to how long you've been around the online marketing community, what you've learned from other places. I feel like somebody who is genuinely an expert would also be a successful marketer. And I feel like someone who's a successful marketer would probably know more about building a page, or would have the resources to pay somebody to professionally build their page. So I'm not going to read through everything that's on here. It's massive. This is I frequently complain about big sales pages. This is a big sales page that tells us we could fit all of this information on a napkin. To be honest, it's not a lot of information. It's just really, really, really big. The other thing is that we're looking at 5 secrets in an ebook for 30 $37. There's no upsells on this, as far as I'm aware. However, it's $37 for a 5 secret ebook done by somebody who's put out a very poorly designed page. Now, again, you might pick this up. You might decide that $37 US is a reasonable price for this. It does say it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is unusual for an ebook because once you purchase it, you've got it. But it is claiming 30-day money-back guarantee. It's coming to us from Charismata Okafor. Now, if you're going to purchase this product, this is available through Warrior Plus. I'm looking at it sometime before it's actually released. But this is releasing through Warrior Plus. So if you're going to purchase this, you will want a Warrior Plus account. If you have a Warrior Plus account and you look Charismata Okafor, I've looked her up in a few places. She's from Nigeria. And by the way, I don't care where anybody is from. That's simply to say what part of the world. Some people are from South Africa, some people are from Australia, some people are from Canada or the US, whatever. This is just a little bit of background, what I've been able to find out briefly about her. She's been involved in a number of launches, but on her Warrior Plus account, I don't see much evidence. It looks as though this may be her first product. So, in part, you might be the sort of person, and I do want to give her a shout out for this. This could be the first product that she has ever created for herself, and I don't know what she may or may not know about this stuff. But all of that does work together. It's a clumsy sales page. It's not a pretty sales page. She does not appear to be, and here she is at the bottom here, Charismata Okafor, multi-billionaire queen. I'm not convinced that this is true. If someone were a multi-billionaire queen, I would expect them to say, all right, I'm going to get somebody to design me a very attractive sales page. And I don't think that's the case here. She may be somebody you want to support as somebody who's starting out, but the simple truth is I've not looked at her secrets. I think we've done reviews on much better systems for learning secrets about online traffic. I don't. Again, just based on what I've been able to find on her background, what we see in this sales page, I don't see a lot of evidence to suggest that this is somebody who has something new to say. And $37, I think, just to learn 5 secrets. 5 secrets, realistically, your ebook could actually end up being a 1-page PDF that just talks about using social media and giving you a short list of platforms that you can post links to. Now, again, I don't know for sure. There will be a link to the sales page in the description. If you think that this is a product that's potentially worth the $37 investment, by all means, click on the link, check out the sales page for yourself, and take a look. See if you think it's a worthwhile purchase. And by all means, if you check it out, feel free to post your opinion in the comment section of this video. I would love to find out what people actually think about it. But again, I have some real doubts about the overall quality that we're going to find in here. I could be wrong. I kind of hope that I am wrong. Regardless, I do hope Charismata does. If she doesn't do well with this particular product, I hope she has some success with it so that she's able to go on and put out hopefully more professional looking products in the future. That's my hope for pretty much anybody who's in this industry, is that they learn from their mistakes. It's why I'm not here simply saying, hey, this is a really great first effort. Because I would like to see her do better in the future. I don't say this because I'm trying to tear anybody down. It's because I would like to see her do better. It's because I think you guys can do better in terms of finding traffic creating systems and secrets than this. It's why I do this. It's to provide you with an honest review, most of the time based on the sales page. Although occasionally things like someone's background or my experiences with a particular marketer may also provide some influence in that. Um, Ultimately, like I said, I really can't, in good conscience, recommend this. If you do want to purchase it, check out the link in the description. As much as I want to give you guys good products, I also want to kind of steer you away from some of the bad ones. And sorry, Charismata, I don't have a good feeling on this product right now. I hope you do better in the future. To the rest of you, I hope that this has been helpful. I may or may not, if I forget to post links to some other traffic products, by all means just go check out the channel, and you'll be able to find a number of different products on there that are aimed at training you and teaching you secrets about drumming up traffic. Some of them free, some of them not. Hope that's helpful. Take care, enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.